Hello, in this video I want to show you how to mute microphone in OBS. So to do this, let's say that you have a scene already set up, sources as well. You should see the audio mixer right here, and there's a microphone. It should be called like a microphone or something like that. You can test it by speaking to your microphone and you will see something like this. So audio basically goes up when I say something. Now when you located the microphone, you just need to slide this slider right here, and as you just heard, I've muted my microphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.